Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. This is the video tutorial for the revision of chapter multiplication and division, which we have already done in OSP round 1. Textbook Oxford New Syllabus Primary Mathematics, page number 46 till 55, chapter 2 Multiplication and Division. Topic is dividing by a one-digit number. Resources required: laptop, textbook, and internet resources. In this lesson, we will revise the concept of dividing 3 and 4-digit numbers by a one-digit number and solving word problems of division. Today's thought of the day is: speak only when you feel your words are better than the silence. It means we waste lots of our energy by speaking too much. Silence can be a better way to convey many things and preserve our energy. Therefore, we should only speak when we have something important to say or something which cannot be conveyed by the silence. Our objectives are to divide 3-digit number by a one-digit number, divide 4-digit number by a one-digit number, and solving word problems of division. Recap of the previous knowledge. Do you know what is the meaning of division? Yes. Division means equal sharing. The terms which we use in division are divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. Let's see the example. 56 divided by 9. Here the 56 is dividend, which is divided by 9. So we can say 9 is a divisor. Read the table of 9 and find out the number which is less than 56. Here we can see 9 6 are 54. We can say 6 is the quotient and 2 is remainder. Our today's topic is dividing 3-digit number by a one-digit number. Let's see the example. 573 divided by 5. 573 is a 3-digit number. It is divided by 5, which is one-digit number. In 573, 5 stands for 500, 7 stands for 7 tens, and 3 stands for 3 ones. We do the sums stepwise. In first step, divide 500 by 5. Quotient is 100. In second step, 7 tens will be divided by 5. Quotient is 1 tenth with remainder 2 tens. Here 2 is actually 2 tens or 20. When we join 20 with 3, 20 plus 3, we get 23 ones. In the last step, divide ones by 5. Here we have 23 ones, which is divided by 5. Read the table of 5. 5 fours are 20. Subtract 20 from 23. Remainder is 3. In the end, we see when we divide 573 by 5, we get quotient 114 and remainder 3. Next topic is dividing 4-digit number by a one-digit number. Example is 4361 divided by 7. 4361 is a 4-digit number and 7 is a one-digit number. In this sum, we read 7 times table. We know 7 6 are 42. In step number 1, 4300 will be divided by 7. The quotient is 600 with remainder 100. In step number 2, we divide 16 tens by 7 and get 2 tens with remainder 2 tens. In step number 3, we divide 21 ones by 7 and get 3 1 with no remainder. because 7 3s are 21. At the end, we see when we divide 4361 by 7, we get quotient 623 and remainder is 0. Let's see the word problem. Ali put 896 pencils in 8 boxes. How many pencils did he put in one box? Follow the steps of word problem. Read the problem very carefully. Circle the number which are 896 and 8. Make the data with the help of the information given in the problem. Here we see total number of pencils are 896. Number of boxes are 8. To find the pencil in one box, we divide 896 by 8. Read the table of 8 and divide the numbers. The quotient will be 112 with no remainder. In the end, write the answer in words. Ali put 112 pencils in each box. Success criteria. Read the tables to divide the numbers. Align the numbers properly. Follow the steps of word problem, which are: read the problems very carefully, understand the requirements of the problem, circle the numbers, solve the problem, write answer in words, and in the end, check your answer. Today your task is solve the following sums in your notebook. 476 divided by 4. 985 divided by 5. 8247 divided by 6. 7936 divided by 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.